All right, guys, we're focusing on vocabulary today, and our word for the day is conducive. 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 Conducive is an adjective that means providing the right conditions for something to happen or exist. A simpler definition is it's helpful, favorable, or making something possible. So, in other words, if something allows something else to take place, to exist, or to happen, then it's conducive. For example, a well balanced diet is conducive to good health, isn't it? I think so. Let's listen to this conversation where the speakers are using the word conducive. Then we'll answer a few questions.
Hey, I heard you're doing well in your classes. What's your secret?
Thanks. I try to create an environment that's conducive to learning. I make sure my study area is well lit and I sit in a comfortable chair. Also, I always try to minimize distractions.
That's a good idea. I always have trouble focusing when there's too much noise around me.
Yeah, I totally get that. Have you tried using noise canceling headphones?
No, I haven't. Do they work?
They can definitely help. You should give them a try and see if they're conducive to your learning style. All right. So there we have it, David and Roseanne talking about learning and creating a learning environment, an environment that is conducive to learning. So let's see, how much of this did you understand? Let's try some comprehension questions. Question number one, what does Roseanne do to create an environment conducive to learning? I'll give you a couple of seconds to tell me your answer. All right, what does Roseanne do to create an environment conducive to learning? Now, if you remember, here's what she says. She told us right here that I try to create an environment that's conducive to learning. Right? So, how does she do this? I make sure my study area is well lit and I sit in a comfortable chair. And she also tries to minimize distractions. So those are the three things that Rosen will do to ensure that she has an environment that is conducive to learning. Let's see our next question. What problem does David have when trying to focus? So you remember David told us something about a little trouble he has, how difficult it is for him to focus sometimes. What causes that? All right. So here he says, I always have trouble focusing when there's too much noise around me. So, in other words, if it's noisy, if there are people outside making a noise, if there's music, children playing, dogs barking, things like that, then he's going to find it really, really hard to focus when he is studying. Did you get that one right? All right, let's try number three. What suggestion does Rosen give to David to help with distractions? So, of course, if you have this problem being distracted and unable to focus, a good friend like Rosen, who is not having that problem, would want to offer some suggestions. She would want to help. Do you remember how he said he could help with this distraction issue? Let's go see. So here she says, you should try some noise canceling headsets. Well, she asked him if he has tried them, and he hasn't. So she's saying you should give them a try and see if they are conducive to your learning style. So maybe these can help. What do you think? Have you ever tried noise canceling headphones? Did they help you? Were they conducive to your learning style and your learning environment? I hope so. So, our final task for today is I want to hear from you. Let's try this question. Do you think studying in a group or studying alone is more conducive to learning? Why? Why do you think so? Why do you think group is better? Or why do you think studying alone is better? Or maybe you believe that a mix of both is ideal. Tell us what you think and why you think so. You can write your answer or record your voice and share that with us right here in our chat, and you will get some feedback on your response. All right, so that's it for today. If you have any other questions about the word conducive or anything else for that matter, don't hesitate. Send us a message and we will respond and help you out as much as we can. All right, guys. So thank you so much, and I'll see you around. Take good care. Bye-bye.